Okay, welcome to this channel. This is where we talk about how to make money. Now today I'm going to talk about how you can make money using Binance app, just using your phone, and you can do this anywhere. So now I want to talk about one of the ways you can use to get money. This is working. It has been approved. It has worked for me, and it's also worked for many other people that have thought out this is working. So this is not financial advice. Please do your due diligence before you put your money in any financial asset that I'm gonna talk about. So here, as you can see, the Binance app, we have favorite, we have hot, we have gainers, losers, and a new listing. Okay, so on. So what you do here, you come here at gainers. You see we have VTHO, we have EPX, we have ORN. So what you do here, you pick the top, either top 3 or 5. So once you've picked top 3 or 5 here, let's say, for example, let's pick the top one, which is right now currently at 57%. So when you pick this one here, you come here, let it open. Okay, it's there. So you see this coin has been performing in the last 7 days. This coin has been performing 113. You see down here, you are able to see that. Then in the last 30 days, 125. In the last 90 days, 3 months, it has performed 203%. In the last 6 months, 180 days, it has performed 452. So what you do, you're going to buy this coin, and once you buy, you're going to leave it for 7 days. This system is working on the uptrend market. It is not working on sideways market. It is not working on downtrend or in a bear market. So right now we are on upward trend, and this will keep on going like this for 18 months. So what you do, you buy this coin and you leave it for 7 days or 1 month. I prefer 7 days or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month, and you're going to double. You're going to double. You look at the past, the previous performance of this coin when from one year ago. When you check that record, you see in 1 year ago it was 286, but we are not going to leave it for all that years or 1 year. That's a lot of. We are going to leave it for 7 days. In 7 days, we are going to get, because it is increasing in value. So what we are going to do here, we are going to get after 1 week. So you sell. When you sell, you get the percentage. It is going to increase with at least 100%. When it increases with 100%, you take your initial, the capital, then you take away the profit. So you, for example, if you have $100, then after 100%, you get the profit of another $100. So that is how you can make $100 or 1,000, depending on the amount that you are ready to put in 7 days. You get the double of what you have invested. So this is how it is working. If you want me to teach you how to get the secret of how to get money, and using simple methods on your own, you don't have to give somebody money to trade for you. So make sure that you stay in tune. Please make sure that you get connected to me, and you subscribe to this channel. And if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. See you till then. Bye bye.